Hello everyone and welcome back to Pullback Indicators. Markets have already closed and let's check out the performance for today, 28th March. To use this indicator, you need to have an account with tradingview.com. You can use it on your smartphone and also access from your desktop browser. To use TradingView, there is no extra cost. As you can see, this is a 5-minute Nifty chart. Whenever we trade on index, we use 5-minute time frame. Let us understand the strategy first. Whenever we get a buy or sell signal, we will not enter into the trade immediately, but we have to wait for the confirmation of the next candle. Our confirmation candle for buy signal, the closing price of the next candle has to be higher than the closing price of the signal candle. For sell signal, the closing price of the next candle has to be lesser than the closing price of the signal candle. And stop loss will be for sell the previous candle high of signal candle, and for buy the previous candle low. Also, we will add some buffer points to the stop loss. As you can see, we have received a sell signal on Nifty today morning, and the fifth candle also has given us the confirmation. Either the next candle has to give us the confirmation, or we can wait till maximum 5 candles, whichever comes earlier. So here the fifth candle has given us the confirmation, but as you can see, after some time we got a buy signal. So when we got a buy trade, we immediately exited the sell position at our almost cost to cost or with a little bit loss. Then for buy signal, the next candle has given us a confirmation, and from here almost 17,112, it went up right till 17,275. We recovered our small loss and also made a good profit. Now this is a BankNifty chart. Again, for BankNifty, we got a sell signal in the morning. The next candle has given us the confirmation, but as you can see, quite after some time we got a buy signal here, and then we had to exit our sell position with a very small loss. And for buy signal, the next candle has given us a confirmation, and from 35,393 levels it went up right till 35,820 levels. So here we recovered a small loss. Along with that, we also made our profit. If you trade in options, then you can enter into the trade on the basis of futures. When next candle gives you the confirmation, you can buy at the money call or puts with a stop loss of 20 to 25% and keep a target of 50%. Now let us see some stocks. For equity, we will use 3-minute time frame. This is a Cipla chart. As you can see, we received a sell signal in the morning, and the next candle has also given us a confirmation, and from Cipla, from here it went a little bit down, giving us a small profit. Remember, we will avoid any signals after 2 p.m. and at the same time, when we make profit in the first signal, then you have to avoid all remaining signals for the day. The logic behind this is we have to hold on to the profits, right? Now this is a Reliance chart. Reliance, the entire day we have not got any signal, and this signal came after 2 p.m. As you can see, this is a L&T chart. In L&T, we got a buy signal here in the morning. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and in NLT also we made a small profit. Next is JSW Steel. JSW Steel, first we got a buy signal here, but there was no trade in this candle, in this signal. Why? Because if you look carefully, the closing price of the signal candle and the closing price of the confirmation candle, both are almost same. When the closing price of both the candles are almost the same, we will not trade. Then we got a sell signal here, and the next candle has also given us a confirmation, but as you can see, there was a stop loss, and then again we got a buy signal, but no trade happened here. Now some of you may say that the next candle has given us a confirmation, then why no trade? And even if we had entered into the trade, there would have been a stop loss. Why there was no trade? The reason is, if you see the target and stop loss, the difference between our entry and the stop loss is just 1 rupees. For a stock of 724, 1 rupee stop loss is very, very small, and chances are very high that the stop loss will get triggered. So when the stop loss is very small, we will not enter into the trade. So bad luck for JSW Steel. Next is Titan. Titan, we got a sell signal here in the morning. The next candle has also given us a confirmation, and we made a small profit in Titan. Next is Power Grid. Now this is a Power Grid chart. As you can see, we got a sell signal here in Power Grid, and the next candle has also given us a confirmation, but within some time again we got a buy signal. So we exited at, you can say, almost cost to cost, or with a very narrow profit. And then now in the buy signal, the next candle has also given us a confirmation, and as you can see, Power Grid, it went up right till here. Next is SBI Life. SBI Life, we got a sell signal here in the morning, and the second candle has given us the confirmation, and as you can see, SBI Life went down right till here. A very good profit for SBI Life. Now as you can see in ITC, we got a buy signal here, but neither the next candle or the next 4 to 5 candle has not given us the confirmation, so no trade happened in ITC. Then this is Hindustan Lever. Again Hindustan Lever, we got a sell signal here in the morning, and the fourth candle has given us the confirmation, and then here we got a buy signal, but yes, we made a very small profit. This is HCL Tech. HCL Tech also, we got a sell signal here in the morning. The next candle has given us the confirmation, and HCL went down till here. This is HDFC. HDFC also, again we got a sell signal in the morning. The next candle has given us a confirmation, and a very good move in HDFC as well. Let's see Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's, again we got a sell signal, and a good move in Dr. Reddy's also. This is Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab, we got a sell signal here. The trade executed on this candle, but unfortunately we got a buy signal here, and we had to exit the trade in cost to cost or with a small loss. And then for the buy signal, the next candle has also given us a confirmation, and again our stop loss got hit. When 2 times there is a stop loss in a particular script, we will not go to any other trade. Hero MotoCorp also, we got a buy signal here. The trade executed on the next candle, and as you can see, there was a small stop loss, and again we got a sell signal here, and we recovered our profit because our risk and reward is 1:2. Now this is HDFC Bank. In HDFC Bank, we got a sell signal, and the second candle has given us the confirmation, but no trade happened because here the stop loss was very, very big. Let us see, so last one more stock. This is TCS. TCS also, we have got a sell signal here, and the second candle has given us the confirmation, and we managed to make a small profit for TCS also. This is all for today. If you do intraday, swing, positional trading, then this indicator is for you. With the help of this indicator, you can trade in equity, Nifty and BankNifty, commodities, forex, crypto, whatever you can name. If you have any queries regarding this indicator, then you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope all of you had a very profitable day. Happy trading.